There has been a long-standing body of research that demonstrates that sleep is a critical function in support of brain health. And just about any aspect of brain health that you could think about, there's a lot of research that shows that sleep is fundamentally critical in supporting cognitive function. If you go without sleep, there's over 100 years of research that shows that you have a series of different cognitive deficits. Your attention is poor, your ability to keep things in mind is poor, your ability to remember things is impaired. But it's not just cognition that's affected. Emotional processing and emotional balance is impacted adversely by sleep loss. In addition to that, there's also impacts on systemic health, which impacts brain health as well. So if you are sleep deprived or you have sleep disturbance, you can have an increased level of inflammation, which there's been increasing research showing that that doesn't just affect peripheral organs, that can also affect brain health as well. Inflammation, at least centrally in the brain, is thought to be one of the markers that is associated with Alzheimer's disease risk. Other sleep disorders can impact brain health in other ways. For example, obstructive sleep apnea can increase your risk for cardiovascular disease, which can impact your risk for getting strokes, which can affect brain health, obviously. And cardiovascular disease is also impacting cognition and brain health more generally. In addition to that, there is a lot of evidence that sleep is important for metabolic regulation, and this has an impact on brain function as well. So there's a lot of direct effects on cognitive and brain function, on emotive function in the brain, as well as it's an impact on peripheral health, with also impact central brain health as well. So it's thought to be a central pillar of health now, alongside diet and exercise, but also alongside things like cognitive training or social engagement. These are all critical factors for brain health, and sleep is one of them. It's fundamental.